Hey yo, what's happening? It's your boy Jiggy San Jiggy Bay for the best. You know what it is. Bafowethu ngisakhona njalo. Kusayimina lo. Kusayimina mfana uJiggy. Ethi ngikhumbula izibuko ngoba manje kuzoshuba kakhulu. Angazi noma ngiqinisa amabhandi. Namhlanje we are reacting to Saliwa. Saliwa seyintombi lona ke ijongo lasempangeni. Uthi lapha ngithatha kwi-album yakhe. Hey, it's hitting my ass. Ngithatha kwi-album yakhe ethi emabhukwini ayisanda kuphuma ishisa ikhotha kakhulu. Ngireacta kwingoma yakhe esihloko sayo sithi Nambulalelani. Yeah, so without wasting more time, make sure to subscribe before I even start. I'm waiting for you. Yeah, okay, wafethu, let's go right into it. Saliwa ithi Nambulalelani. Yes, manje.
Angeke lambe ngale kabuki sikhona. Uma kukhona okushodayo ngiyanikhulula nokhuluma. Angeke lambe ngale kabuki sikhona.
Okay, I haven't heard the song. My first time listening to the song. So like these words are kind of familiar to me. So I kind of know what's next because like lamagama fethu ajwayele ukushiwo every time after umngcwabo maybe okay yeah, I'm sure you all know ukuthi makuqeda ngcwatsha okay so niphelele nonke ekhaya ngithi ngizongcwaba. So after the funeral laba bahlala emaThekwini, you know, abahlala eMagoli, you know, aba-drive iy'moto ey'nkulu ama-50 ama-Legend 50. So they be like, hey, you won't go hungry sikhona, ngeke nilambe sikhona, kumele kehlangane sikumndeni nje kungonakele lutho. Those are lies. Those are lies. They never show up when you need them. So I kind of know where this song is going, like from listening to it. Those words are kind of familiar. I'm familiar with those words. We've all been through that. Yeah, most of us. So let's listen to the song though.
Uma kukhona okushodayo ngiyanikhulula nokhuluma. Kwakushabo
This song lengoma bafethu like niyani niyeza ukuthi inokushinga phakathi and ngiyayibona ngathi 11 minutes, so it's giving leyo ngoma yokushinga but emotional at the same time cause lezi zinto ziyenzeka like for real ziyenzeka lezi zinto after imgcwabo, after imsebenzi, after inhlambululo and stuff like that cause we are Zulus ziyenzeka le ngiyaya I'm Zulu obviously. So okay, so it's emotional at the same time because yezenzeka ngempela lezo zinto. Bro.
Nendaba bafana emzini kababa. Yimi iqoqe sila nenhlupheko.
bafowethu.
Ulale akingwa bapaselana bodwa. Ulale akingwa likishwe ngababa. Hawu ekalala ekalala. Zothetha kanjani mina ngingalela ngayo. Webabando mama wami, webabando mama wami, webabando mama wami.
Hayi bafowethu ngicela ukuyivala la. Ngicela uyivala la bafowethu. Awu kodwa khulu iqiniso. Yazi the one thing I like about uMaskandi bafowethu, to talk about izinto irrelevant, you know, izinto amanye amajandra ayayifihla ngokuthi okay, you know, they act like abazazi. But the thing about uMaskandi expose izinto ey'kanje, you know. So make sure that you subscribe, like and share. Yeah, we'll be back soon.